Here we go again. Hello again, PCQI. In this video, I'm going to be covering a forms review for our Master Manufacturing Record log. So this was sent to us to make an assessment for improvement. So these are some of the things that I've added and edited on this particular MMR log. So first things first, we put product code in the column. So these product codes are basically it's your in-house code. So if you're using your own product codes, this is where you're going to be able to input them on your Master Manufacturing Record log. Next to that is the manufacture date. So if they were created yesterday, the day before, or whatever the date of manufacture, it would be inputted in this section. Next part of it is the lot number that is in reference to that date and that product code, and then the product name itself, so the actual name obviously, and the formula code that it is attached to. So during traceability, as you can see, you have your finished product and then the formula that it is going to be attached to for that. So just in case on a traceability, on a recall, you can then refer to that. All right. So there's a place for the formula code to interconnect or interlink IQ, right? Next part of that is the batch quantity. So in this part, this particular client, they do their batches in kilograms. So there's an input level for that. And then they also put these in composite cans. So there's a list, a section for the cans to how many units that they're gonna need. The expiration date desired by the client or for the product based on shelf life study and shelf life declaration. And the next part of that column is the customer that had placed this order that it is going to. So in this particular example, this is a powder processing plant. This client of ours, the customer, is a OEM white label client. And then there's a section for the nutrition test and the micro test that is being sent to the lab, so they can put that on there for those status if it's a pass or fail, right? Acceptable or non-acceptable. And there's a batch status. Now on the batch status, there's some things that we put on there, like is it rejected? Is it out of stock? Is it approved? Is it on hold? So these are the type of status that's on there. So whatever those results, it would have an input here. Now some of you probably have some software to manage these things. And unfortunately, some of our clients do not. They're still in Excel. We're actually developing software for them to be able to manage their batching processes or in this event, their master manufacturing records. The next part of that is physical archive status. Like now in this part of the physical status, if it's missing or completed, it's going to be on here for their archives, okay? And then they have an electronic version of the archive status on here. So if sometimes it's a physical paper or it's electronic. And then they have a retain location where retains are collected and what location it is in the warehouse. And there's also a note and comment section. All right. So now on these areas here, you can add as much as you can on your log. Obviously, this is just a simple process review for this particular form. So if you have any questions or need assistance on creating a master manufacturing record log, please reach out. We can customize these for you and help you put them together based on your intended process. They could be made as simple as this, or you could have more of what you want to trace based on your log, based on your activity, excuse me, that could be put in your log record. Okay, so thank you, PCQIs. Have a great day. Contact us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.